Welcome back, folks. I'm back with my tiny microphone in this amazing new build in Eisenhower Park. The neighbor's dog is being super rude. As you can see behind me, insulation has been installed. Behind it is already the plumbing and the electrical. It's all done. And this week we are going to have drywall go up, and that will give us a better understanding of how the rooms are separated and kind of just the overall picture. So, exciting stuff happening. There isn't too much to update you this time, but I'll give you a little tour just because I like you.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Now, if you want to get ahead of the game, this house will be hitting the market very soon. However, if you're interested, I might be able to hook it up. If you are interested, shoot me an email, info@brokergayane.com. Let me know, hey, I've been watching your new construction videos. I want to see it. I want to buy it. I will give you a private tour, and we can connect with the builder and talk about a timeline. So, till then, I will see you all next Wednesday with a brand new episode.